Previously, we've done a lot of work with HTML to create those pages for rooms, but as you can see, we need to fix some issue with the size menu, and also we need to change the style of those selection as well as the amenities for the checkbox. Alright, so we need to create our own style. Open our folder, and under F, Access Style Sheet, open application.scls. Now let's scroll down here under the form. Okay, let's add some form group, and here we say input, and we say first we're going to say hi, let's say 45 pixel, and for the border we say 1 pixel solid, and the color is 00A699. Alright, and then we got the form group with the text area, and we got a border. Well, actually I'll just copy this one, copy, paste here, and then we got a form group for the select, and it's going to be width 100%, color is going to be, and the background color is going to be white, the border, let's copy this one, alright, and border radius set it to pixel, padding 10. Alright, and we say appearance, we say none, and then we got most appearance none, and then WebKit appearance none. I think I got the typo here. Okay, and then don't worry about this thing, I'm gonna explain in a bit. Keep moving, we got select, and we say before, and we got content, let's say this one is going to be 25 BC, font size is 1.2, and position we set to absolute, color is going to be 008 to 699, top, oops, top we set to let's say 30 pixel, right set to 30 pixel as well, and transform we say scale to and 0.62. Okay, and then we got a form group, and for the input type equal checkbox, this one is form and class, and here we say hi, set it 1.25, aim width is going to be 1.25, and margin bottom set to minus 0.25 and margin right is 5, and vertical let's say vertical top, and then we got a border, again I'm just copy this one, and border radius 2 pixel, yeah, and copy this too. Okay, so nearly done. Just one last thing. Check it before. And this one we got content. The content is going to be 2713. Position, we say absolute. Font size is going to be 0.95 em. And we got a text. We got a text line. It's going to be center. Width is going to be 1.25 em, and the color is going to be. Okay, let me quickly explain what's happening here. The other thing is quite straightforward and easy to understand. The new things here is those three lines. The appearance property is used to display an element using a platform native stylings based on the user operating system. So that means if you open the website on a Safari, and the selection would be different from the one opened in a Firefox. And that is why we need to turn it off to use our own custom style. Now, actually, these three lines do the same things, but Firefox only supports this, and Safari and Chrome support this. So that's why we need these two. All right, so I'll just make a note here. Oops. So actually, this one is for Firefox, and this one is for Safari and Chrome. All right, and the same thing with the other. Just make a comment so you would understand that. Now open the web browser and hit refresh. Hey, look at this. You can see that we got a nice checkbox. If you click on this, it's gonna display this text icon, which is this one. It's a Unicode of the check mark. All right, and also if you go to listing, hey, it's gonna display nicely, just like that. And as you can see, it just removed the default selection of the Chrome, and instead we're going to use our own style. If you want to learn more about the style sheet, let's click here, and you can click on this one. So from here, you got a selection of this one, the content, and actually you can change this one. So for example, top, we can say 40, or we can say 35 to make it in the middle. And then you can change the scale if you want. So for example, I can change it to 2.4, all right, 9.4. All right, so you understand the transform scale and how that works. So for example, it's 1.2, yeah, change back to 6, and we might change the top to 35. Let's go back here, and for the selection, we say 35 for the top. All right, save the file. And if you go to the pricing, hey, so right now our border, our text box got a nice border, which is awesome. But for some reason, we still got issue with this menu here. Let me go back and open price, views, rooms, room menu, and say, okay, this one should be list, not sidebar link, set to 5. Go back here, hit refresh. Hey, look at this. Go description nicely. So our text box and text area got a nice border, beautiful. Photo, we don't have anything yet, that's fine. Hitting location.